I achieved this beautiful hairstyles on my short 4C natural hair with Brazilian wool. Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gift Uchechi, like you already know, and if you're a new viewer here, I just want to say a big welcome. Thank you for stopping by, and please do not forget to click on that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. Don't forget to like, share, comment. I want to hear your view on what you think about this hair. What do you think I should do next? So please, I want you to watch this video to the very end, but if you're not able to watch it to the very end, I'm putting this video in chapters so you can switch to that particular chapter you really want to see. Thank you guys, and I will leave you to just enjoy this video. Get a bowl with water so that as you're burning the hair, you can always put your hand there so it doesn't burn your hand. Twist 2 strands of the hair together. Please, not a tight twist, a loose one as you can see right now, and tie it. You can knot it with a rubber band or anything, but I use the wool. So you can just knot it with anything. The essence is just to knot it together. Do that to every other of the hair. Please, a loose twisting, a very loose twisting. Roll the hair on your scalp. Please, you're rolling this hair just like your bantu, but the difference is that this is a very flat rolling. Please let the hair not be on top of each other, a very flat one, so that you don't have that pushy edge. So just roll it flat on your scalp there, then secure it with your pin. So this is a hair pin I got. Be generous with the use of pin until you get a good secure. Please secure it very well so that this doesn't lose when you leave the house. So do that to each and every one of the hair, and ensure that you do this very closely so that there won't be any space in between, except you don't mind, but I did mine to be very close to each other so that every space will be covered. You can also decide to make your own not as big as mine, but I just really want that poppy effect, so that's why I made mine this big. I still applied a little more edge control. So my beautiful people, this is the finished look. So this is the style one, you can wear this style, and I'll also be showing you a second way you can wear this very beautiful hairstyle. So keep watching. So this is the style 2. It's still the same method, but the difference is that you're tying this bantu pattern individually. Please, a flat one, not like rolling it around like a normal bantu, a very flat one. That's the reason I'm using my hand to secure it, like holding it flat. As you can see, you see the way I place my finger. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified every single time I make a new post. Thank you. So guys, tell me which of these hairstyles that you prefer, because I am just about revealing the second look. Which of these hairstyles do you prefer? Tell me in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for staying to the end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.